Hello, this is Ziyin Chen. I'm presenting the first sprint of the term project, development of an online store website. The major achievement I made for the past week is that I created a comment page. The page can be accessed by clicking a button on the product card. The page includes a product view, a comment summary, and a comment list. The comment page is accessible to both registered and unregistered users. First child story. As a user, I want to access the product comments with or without signing in so that I don't have to log in the website to view the product comments. Acceptance criteria. Upon typing in localhost 5000 in the navigation bar, a home page shows up. The home page contains a list of product cards. Each product card has a button labeled as View Comments. Upon clicking the View Comments button, the web page is reloaded so that the comment page is displayed. The comment page is accessible before or after a user signs in. Let me start over. Okay, so first I sign out. Then I have, now I'm signed out, and in the home page, each product card has a button called View Comments. And if I click on one of the comments, it shows a comment page. Or if I click on another View Comment, it shows another comment page. If I sign in, still the buttons are there. So if I click, I see the same type of information. Next, as a user, I want to view the product information on the comment page so that I know which product the comments are talking about. Acceptance criteria. The comment page contains a product card. The product card is located on the top left corner of the page. The product card contains the product name, price and summary, and image. The product card does not have any button. That's what we see here. It has the product image, the name, price, and the description, and it is on the top left corner. It does not have any buttons. As a user, I want to view the product rating summary so that I have a quick idea of the customer experience on the product. Acceptance criteria. The comment page includes a rating summary. The rating summary is located on the top right corner. The rating summary starts with a line user rating with 5 stars. The rating summary continues with a line with average rating. The rating summary continues with 5 colored bars, the length of which indicates the percentage of each rating category. The category of each colored bar is labeled on the left side. The value of each colored bar is labeled on the right side. Here is the rating. It has 5 stars, and if there are 4, it says 4 stars, and be more precise, 4.3 average based on 3 reviews. 5 star, there are 2 reviews, and 3 star, there's 1 review. And this is like 66.7% of the total, and this is like 33% of the total. Next, as a user, I want to view all comments of a product so that I can learn from other users' experience. The comment page contains a comment list. The comment list is located underneath the product card and the rating summary. The comment list has 5 headings: action, rating, email, content, and the post on. The action section contains edit and delete buttons. The rating section contains the rating information. The email section contains the email address of the user who left the comments. The content section contains the body of the comment. The post on section contains the time information when the comment was posted. So far, this item has 3 ratings, and the columns are labeled as mentioned. Since I logged in as a user 1, I'm able to edit or delete this button, this comment. I'm not able to add a new comment because I've already left a comment, but I'll leave it for next. That's all. Thank you.